Ever wondered if you could get paid simply for listening to your favorite tunes? Well, in this video I'm unveiling not just one but 5 platforms where you can do just that. Stay tuned as I reveal these fantastic opportunities to earn money while enjoying the beats you love. And if you haven't already, be sure to hit that subscribe button to be updated on more pivot online money-making methods. Number 1. Radio Earn. Radio Earn is essentially a hub that compensates individuals for the time spent listening to radio music. The concept is straightforward. Listen to music and earn money. Users have reported earning between $3 to $4 for each song they listen to through this platform. The availability of Radio Earn spans across the globe, making it accessible to a wide audience. However, it's worth noting that gaining access might involve an approval process. Upon visiting the Radio Earn website, aspiring users are required to sign up for an account. The sign-up procedure typically involves filling in necessary personal information. Following this, a waiting period for approval ensues, as not everyone may gain immediate acceptance into the platform. Once approved, users gain access to a plethora of radio music, setting the stage for the earnings journey. The process is relatively simple. Listen to music and accumulate points. Later on, these accrued points can be converted into earnings. Number 2. Cashar. Cashar presents an enticing opportunity for individuals seeking to earn money by listening to music on Spotify. This platform stands out by reportedly offering users earnings ranging from $2.5 to $5 per song, providing a potentially lucrative avenue for music enthusiasts to turn their passion into a source of income. Although Cashar welcomes users globally, gaining entry might necessitate joining a priority waitlist. To embark on this earning journey, interested individuals need to access the Cashar website and apply to join the priority waitlist. This typically involves providing basic information such as a name and email. After completing this step, applicants await an email invitation, which typically arrives after a few months, allowing them to create an account and begin exploring the earning opportunities. Upon successful account creation, users can dive into a variety of tasks offered by Cashar, one of which involves listening to music on the popular platform, Spotify. This task presents a straightforward way to earn money by simply engaging with music content. The mechanism through which users earn revolves around sharing ad revenue generated by the platform. Number 3. Music Gateway. The core functionality of Music Gateway revolves around paying users for their efforts in reviewing songs and providing genuine feedback. The compensation offered for this task ranges from a few cents to several dollars per song, providing flexible earning potential based on the depth and quality of the feedback provided. To kickstart the earning journey with Music Gateway, interested individuals need to sign up as a curator. This process involves visiting the Music Gateway website and navigating to the dedicated section for curators. Once there, clicking on the Sign Up option prompts users to fill in the necessary details to complete the registration process. After successful registration, users gain access to a repository of songs awaiting review and feedback. The platform facilitates the distribution of songs for review directly to the curator's interface. The users then listen to each song meticulously, paying close attention to various elements such as melody, lyrics, instrumentation, and overall composition. But wait, let's take a quick pause. I'd love to hear from you, our amazing audience. Are you excited to boost your income with these online earning opportunities? Let the money flow from all directions by following our pivot online strategies. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below because we're here to guide you and provide answers. Your engagement keeps this community vibrant and informed, so don't hesitate to join the conversation. Number 4. Earnably. At the heart of Earnably's functionality lies the provision of tasks that users can complete to earn rewards. Among these tasks, users reportedly have the opportunity to make a substantial $5 per song listened to, making it an appealing prospect for individuals keen on monetizing their music listening habits. Getting started on Earnably is a streamlined process. Interested individuals can initiate their journey by registering on the platform. The registration process is user-friendly, allowing users to create an account seamlessly using their Google, Facebook, or PayPal credentials. Once registered, users gain access to a range of tasks available on the platform. Navigating to the Explore section opens doors to various tasks, including the option to listen to music to earn points. Users can engage with this task by dedicating time to listen to different songs provided on the platform. Each song listened to earns users a predetermined number of points. These points serve as a form of currency on Earnably, allowing users to accumulate rewards based on their engagement and completion of tasks. The platform aims to incentivize users by rewarding them for their time and effort spent on various tasks, including music listening. Accruing points over time through consistent engagement enables users to explore redemption options available on the platform. Users can exchange their accumulated points for cash or other rewards as offered in the platform's redemption catalog. The redemption process is designed to be straightforward, providing users with flexibility in utilizing their earned rewards. Number 5. Current App. The concept behind the Current app is straightforward. The app boasts the potential to generate earnings of up to $600 annually, presenting an attractive incentive for individuals keen on earning through music consumption. However, a notable limitation of the Current app is its restriction to residents within the United States. Therefore, this earning opportunity is exclusively available to US-based users, limiting its accessibility to a global audience. To initiate the earning process with the Current app, interested users within the US must first download and install the app from either the App Store or Google Play Store, depending on their device preferences. Once successfully installed, users gain access to a diverse selection of radio stations available within the app's interface. Users are encouraged to explore and choose from the available radio stations, enabling them to begin listening to songs of their preference. Number 6. Playlist Push. Playlist Push stands out as a dynamic platform offering multiple avenues for music enthusiasts to earn substantial rewards by engaging with music content. This innovative platform provides users with diverse earning opportunities through two primary channels: conducting music reviews or promoting songs on various social media platforms. The essence of Playlist Push revolves around empowering users to capitalize on their expertise and creativity within the realm of music. Users can explore two distinct paths for earning rewards on this platform. Firstly, individuals can sign up as curators, facilitating the process of reviewing songs and providing constructive feedback. Alternatively, users can opt to leverage their social media presence by signing up as TikTok creators to promote music tracks. The journey to start earning through Playlist Push begins with the creation of an account. Users have the flexibility to choose between signing up as a curator or a TikTok creator, aligning with their interests and preferred method of engaging with music content. For users opting to review songs as curators, the process involves receiving songs for review via the platform's interface. The core responsibility revolves around actively listening to each song, providing insightful feedback, and potentially adding the reviewed songs to curated playlists. The platform emphasizes the significance of genuine and constructive feedback to aid artists in improving their music quality. On the other hand, TikTok creators on Playlist Push have the opportunity to leverage approved music tracks in their social media content. By incorporating these tracks into their TikTok videos or other social media posts, creators can promote the music and subsequently get compensated for these promotional efforts. And that's a wrap. In the ever-evolving online world, we don't just surf the web, we pivot it. At Pivot Online, we're your compass to online success. We'll guide you through the digital jungle so you can turn clicks into cash. Join us as we reshape the online landscape and pivot your way to financial freedom. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Hit the bell to stay tuned for more money-making tips. Until next time, this is Pivot Online, where you're one pivot away from your next success story.